In this lossless cut tutorial, I'll show you how to add extra audio files to a video without re-encoding or rendering the video. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. This is my assumption, and for this to work, you need lossless cut, and it's available for Windows, Linux and Mac. So you're sorted. You need the video you want to add the extra audio files to, and then you need the extra audio track. And for the purposes of this video, the audio track may be in a foreign language, and probably you want to share your content with other people and they can select the audio that they want to listen to. So if we begin, I'll just double click on this video and it's going to open inside VLC. You'll see that it only has one audio track. Just double click on it and I'll stop it. Right click, audio track. It's just one track. So let me show you how this works. Let's just open up lossless cut. It's a pretty awesome application that supports lossless transcoding of files, etc. So we have lossless cut open, and then I'll just drag and drop this particular video file. So the video file has two tracks on this top left, just two tracks. Let's include more tracks. I'll just click on that and then add our extra audio. Click on that, click open, and here we have our extra audio. Note, cutting and including external tracks at the same time does not yet work. So my assumption is if you want to add multiply, like 2 files, 3 files, etc., like holding them at the same time. If you want to do both, it must be done as separate operations. So add individual tracks. See GitHub issue 896. So let's assume that's done. We only had one track, audio track to add here. You'll see that when tracks have different lengths, do you want to make the output file as long as the longest or the shortest track? So we'll go with the longest, but if you click on this, it can show you the shortest. But since these files are the same length, then we work with that. So we've already done that. Now the next option is just to export. So just click on export, and then you'll need to select your different options here. And now you'll see that the input has 3 tracks. Keep tracks, the 3 tracks, the folder, the destination, and what our file will be named. So if you're satisfied with that, just click on export. I'll just click on that. It's done. And if we go back to a folder, here we go. Here's a new file. If I double click on it, pause it, right click, audio track, it now has 2 tracks. So if this was in a foreign language and you wanted to share it with people, then they would be easily consume this media because you've availed a foreign track for them. So that is how you can easily add multiple audio files to a video for free without re-encoding the video using lossless cut. Thanks for watching this video. My name is David, and until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.